Imagine if your equipment could let you know about its first symptoms of trouble and recommend next steps to fix it. What if your facilities could alert you when something's not quite right and give troubleshooting tips? Can you imagine having access to all this at your fingertips, no matter where you are? SOMAX has the answer. SOMAX is the smartest maintenance solution, leading the way in the Internet of Things revolution. SOMAX places wireless sensors on your valuable assets and equipment and provides real-time data on performance and conditions. SOMAX users can receive real-time alerts on the mobile app when early symptoms of a problem arise, no matter where they are. This means your team can spend more time fixing problems rather than wasting time walking around and monitoring equipment. And no matter where you are, you can get the information needed to prevent small issues from becoming larger, more expensive problems. And at SOMAX, we know data is useless if it doesn't provide direction. That's why we go the extra mile to help people to work smarter and more efficiently by including next steps for prescriptive maintenance within the alerts. This empowers technicians to respond quickly and streamlines the troubleshooting process. Plus, the SOMAX solution gets even smarter over time, learning from the data history and updating your maintenance recommendations accordingly. The SOMAX mobile app was designed based on decades of industry experience and feedback from our users. Our software solution is based on first-hand experience of what actually works. The SOMAX solution is trusted by national brands and enterprise clients, but is easy to scale for smaller facilities. We provide the right-size solution for clients throughout the private and public sectors. Because we're a small company doing big things, that means less red tape than our large competitors. And we cost a fraction of the amount compared to other IoT solutions on the market today. Ready to kickstart an IoT solution? We provide flexible implementation and training options that will help your maintenance team get up and running in no time. Because at SOMAX, we're always thinking ahead.